and welcome to Fans of Reflexology with Sam Savage. Today's top tip is going to be for neck pain. So if you've got a crick neck or stiff neck, or you've had an accident in some way and your neck feels stiff, this is a really good method of relieving pain and tension in your neck. So for hand reflexology, your neck is found at the beginning part of the inside of your thumb. So it's your head is this padded part, both padded parts of each thumb, and your neck is this area in between, running down there and just under there are the two areas we're going to work today. Okay, so to start with, we'll just give our hands a little rub and just give your thumbs a little rub along the top and at the sides where we're going to be working. And then we'll just give them a little pull and a little ring off. So we'll just ring them and rub them. Just give them a little twist. So as we're twisting them, that's a little bit like just stretching your neck, just stretching out that vertebrae in your neck. So we're giving ourselves a little tug there. And the same on the other side, 2 or 3 little tugs. Okay, we're just going to do 2 or 3 little rotations anti-clockwise and the same clockwise with the other side. And again on the other side, anti-clockwise and clockwise 2 or 3 times each. So to start with, we're going to be working this little line under the pad of each thumb. And we're going to use our little caterpillar walk, which is where you press in and release. That's a method that reflexologists use, and that's what we're going to use today. So just coming to the side of your thumb, just there, we're just going to press in and then just release, press in and release. And you're going to make tiny little steps each time and then press in. So you might find that you do this maybe 8 to 10 times to get to the other side of your neck. So we've got work that whole area and then come back and do that again. So as you press in, you might find that it's a little bit crunchy or a little bit lumpy, and that's how it's feeling on my thumb today. And I have got quite a stiff neck today, so that's good. So this is going to work well for me today as well. So you'll get quicker at this as you go along, and I want you to work that area at least 10 times around, pressing in as firmly that's comfortable and just making sure that you are doing really nice little tiny little steps with your thumb, so you're really working into that area. You're going to do that on both sides. Now we're going to come and just work the whole of our spine, because when you get neck pain, it's really good to work the whole of your spine and get the circulation running through the whole of your spine. So we're going to do this caterpillar walk through the whole of our spine, and starting with our cervical spine up here, down through the thoracic, the lumbar and the sacral. So that's the whole of your spine, and that fits together with both sides. So to do this, we're going to come to the side and just work all the way along in nice little steps again, all the way along your hand. I'll do it quickly, and just pressing in and then working down to the bottom. And I would say we're going to do that at least 5 times on each hand, and then you could give each side a little sweep down. So we're going to come back up now and just work this cervical area, which is where the pain is, and that's right here on the side. So just coming to the first little joint of your thumb, that first little joint there, just press in nice and firmly, and again do your little caterpillar walks just to that next little joint. So it's that little area there that you've worked. And I want you to do that 5 times, just with those little caterpillar walks. And do the same on the other side. And then just give your thumb a little sweep off. So just press in and just sweep all along the top and all up the side, all the way up to your nail. Push and sweep. And just do that for 3 or 4 times, and then the same on the other hand. So just give all the top of your thumb a nice stretch and push, and then come to the side where you've been working and give that a push as well, and a little stretch. So we're just going to finish off by doing an acupressure point for neck pain, and that's really handy and easy to find because it's located just here between your 2 little knuckles, and the same on the other hand. And we're going to do this for a couple of minutes, and if you can, I want you to press in with your opposite finger into that little space. There's not a lot of space, but there is a little bit of space. And press in quite firmly until it feels a little bit uncomfortable. And then start to just rotate. And as you're rotating that, I want you to bring your head around to the right hand side as far as it can extend that's comfortable. And then just slowly, as you're moving your head from side to side, just keep pressing your finger into this acupressure point and rotating your neck. And if you can do this for at least a minute, a couple of minutes would be even better. And as you're doing that, go with your neck as far around as is comfortable. You might not be able to go as far as me, or you might be able to go further, and that's absolutely fine, whatever's comfortable. Do that for a couple of minutes, and then come over to the other side. Press in that little joint between the two knuckles and start to put a bit of pressure and for a little rotation, and then just start again. Just turning your neck nice and slowly and just visualising really that you're freeing your neck up. Just put all those things into motion at the same time. That your neck is feeling better and better the more that you rotate. So after you've done that for a couple of minutes, you can have a little rest because you've worked really hard. You can't do yourself any harm doing this little hand tip for today. So do this as often as you want to. And please let me know in the comments below how you're getting on. And so until the next video, thanks for looking. Bye.